Okay, so today is the exciting day where FedEx has shown up with my new winter rims and tires. And they couldn't come anytime sooner because it's getting cold outside and I do not want to destroy these summer tires that came with the Tesla. So let's take a look at the Tsportline winter rims and tires. Here we go. Not bad. I noticed that some of these center caps are upside down, so I'll just have to flip those around. But overall, the rims look really, really nice. This is one of their original styles from Tsportline. And again, this is the 18-inch rim that's specially milled through that center bore there. That's got that kind of that little lip so that it will fit in the performance model. It has nothing to do with the brakes because 18-inch do fit around those brakes no problem. It's more just this little lip here that's specially made from Tsportline for that. And then the tires there are the Michelin X-Ice. So got some great winter tires on there. And as you can see, I have so much rubber compared to what I would have had if I bought the Tesla ones for $5,000 that had those, those low profile winter tires. These are gonna take the bumps and potholes and stuff like that 10 times better. And it's probably gonna be a smoother ride too. So yeah, I'm gonna get these all unpackaged and then we'll get them on the car. There's one thing I noticed here, and I don't 100% know if this is accurate because I haven't torqued these at all yet. But this is my first time even taking the covers off since I bought the car, and I assumed that everything was right. But these first nuts, when I cracked them, they were very easy, almost like they were definitely not the same tension of the other ones. So I might include in the initial inspection for you guys to check your lug nuts when you get home and just make sure everything is tight and lined up, because these two, I'll check the other ones, but these two definitely didn't feel like they were as tight as the other ones. Okay, so number one wheel is coming off. The jack points are actually pretty easy to find, but I would make sure, because it was a pretty tight fit, so make sure that your jack actually has clearance underneath in order to fit, because this thing sits pretty low to the ground, and most jacks I think aren't going to fit under there with the adapter. Just as a quick side note here too, guys, for those of you who want to disable that pedestrian speaker, depending on the laws that are in your local country, if you just pop these out, the speaker is basically right there and you can just unplug it and it causes no problems in the car. But I'm not gonna do that, that's no fun. There are gonna be new sounds coming out, and in a lot of countries it's legal to have it, or it's illegal not to have it. So, but that's where it is anyways, on the front passenger side. Wow, now that I actually have this off and it's my first time looking in here, this is crazy how industrial this is built. No wonder they talk about these things lasting for 1,000,000 miles. Everything in here just feels really well built. And yeah, I mean, these brakes, they're just monstrous, incredible. Well, as we're going through the back here, I just realized this is probably the first and only opportunity I'm gonna have whenever I'm changing tires to actually see the motor on my car. That amazing amount of power comes from that electric motor in right back there. I don't know how deep I'm able to get this, but there she is. It is tiny. You've seen pictures of it on the internet, but it's it's very small. It's crazy that much juice comes from those two motors. Okay, I got number 2 on there, and a few things I want to show you here. Number 1, just for safety, make sure you use a torque wrench to check all these afterwards to make sure they're good to go. And again, after say like 50 kilometers, just double check them again, make sure nothing's backed off. Tsportline ones come with these center caps. I know you're able to get Tesla ones if you want, but that's fine. I also bought these optional little black covers there. They also come with a grabber tool to pull them out so that you're not sitting there fiddling with them. They're just these are just like little plastic caps, but they still charge $50 for them. So it's really up to you whether you want that 50 bucks in your pocket or not. I bought them, I guess spur of the moment really, to be honest. But yeah, it looks great so far. And yeah, we got 2 on there and 2 to go. Okay, and that garbage there ended up being a great barrier between protecting my other rims for the time being until I can find a better storage solution. So that's pretty good. Overall, the car is done. That is it. We've got the new rims on there. I think they look great. yeah, hopefully these pine needles aren't going to collect again, but deal with what you have to deal with. But yeah, overall, looking really wicked. Okay, the one thing that I do want to say though is to make sure that you have the right tool to do this and that you feel comfortable doing it. I'm not a professional mechanic, just a guy who's been changing his tires since he was young and always working on his car. So having this electric car feels no different to me. But yeah, make sure you have the right tools and that you're comfortable with working on it. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.